To make your brain work for you all the time, you must learn about priming. Exposure to the right stimulus unconsciously regulates your behavior, your thoughts, and your attention. For example, when you buy a new car, you may suddenly start noticing the same make and model much more frequently on the streets than you did before. It's not because suddenly everyone bought the same car as you're planning to buy. This is because your brain became primed and it starts paying attention to what you instructed it to do. Easy way to prime your brain is to surround it with relevant images. Set pictures activate your brain by triggering associations, leading to increased willingness to tackle life challenges and persist longer when pursuing your goals. This happens through the activation of the amygdala and the prefrontal cortex, guiding your behavior towards stronger mental performance and improved resilience.